I imagine one of the difficult things here with GitHub as well is you serve so many different
Hmm.
audiences, right? So like you said, on one hand, you've got the economic buyers,
Yeah,
the people who are running engineering teams, founders who are running
yeah,
companies who you want to go out and sell
yeah.
to. And then you've got the individual developers, many of which are working for these companies, but many of them are open source developers and hobbyists and whatever else. Like, how do you address these different audiences? Because some of these have very, very different cultures, right? And ways of
Yeah.
operating.
People segment audiences as a bit too much. So people think of like, oh, you've
Right.
got the open source developer and you've got the enterprise developer. But actually, most open source developers are working for companies during the day kind of thing. And
Right.
it's just
Yeah.
when they're doing their development is, at home or at weekends or whatever. But it's more where we're having the conversation and in what context. So if you're
Mm.
on TikTok, you're expecting a certain type of content and you can engage in a certain way. And if you're the enterprise buyer, if you're a C-level, you're probably not going to be hanging out flicking through videos is one thing. And also
Yeah.
that's not where you're going for that type of content. But if you go to our marketing
Right.
site and you were to Google like GitHub and look for features and go to a pricing page, there you're expecting a sensible business conversation. You're not expecting banter. And so if we came
Yeah.
to you with a bunch of blah, 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 like banter stuff, then it would totally not be appropriate.